Dramatic footage has emerged of the moment a car plunged into a canal in Amsterdam with a mother and toddler inside. 4 bystanders jumped in the freezing water to help rescue the pair and managed to break the vehicle's window using a hammer. The mother had parked her car when it started to move towards the canal with the toddler inside. The woman desperately attempted to reach her child and pull it out of the car, but the car plunged into the canal with both of them inside. They were taken to hospital and are said to be doing well.